Aloha, I'm meteorologist Malika Dudley with your morning tropical cyclone update. Iselle is now a Category 4 hurricane with maximum sustained winds at 140 miles per hour. Hurricane force winds extend 30 miles from the center, tropical storm force winds 105 miles from the center. Iselle is moving west at 10 miles per hour, currently about 1,300 miles east-southeast of Kahului. The track has not changed significantly on this run. Iselle is likely to change little in intensity during the next day or so, and even when it begins to weaken, the trend should be quite gradual. Keep in mind the storm continues to prove the models wrong by pushing through the expected intensity forecast on several model runs over the last few days. Having said that, a tropical cyclone's fuel is warm water, and the hurricane is expected to track over increasingly cooler waters. For you weather enthusiasts, increased vertical shear is also expected, and those two things together should really help to weaken the storm as it approaches our islands. We've also got Tropical Storm Julio. Maximum sustained winds are at 45 miles per hour with higher gusts. Some strengthening is forecasted over the next 2 days or so. Julio could be a hurricane by Wednesday. This storm is moving west at 13 miles per hour and is about 2,500 miles east-southeast of Kahului at this time. So how will it affect weather in the islands? In the meantime, we still expect stable trade wind weather. The forecast for Hawaii, starting Thursday through early next week, is when we expect to feel impacts from Iselle and Julio. Those could include muggy conditions, heavy rain, flooding, storm surge, and high winds. It's still too early to say exactly how these two storms will affect us, since, as we've already seen with Iselle, these storms can do unpredictable things, and there's still a high level of uncertainty in the long-range forecast track. Now, having said that, the National Hurricane Center models are showing the probabilities of tropical storm force winds. Those are winds of 39 to 73 miles per hour. For Iselle, the yellow indicates a 30 to 40% chance. Lightest green, 20 to 30% chance. Darkest green over Kauai, 10 to 20%. And it's the same story for Julio in this graphic. Both storms are pretty much still on the same path, marching toward the islands. And as I said, these storms change quickly and unexpectedly at times. If that happens, I'll update the forecast on this comment thread on Facebook. Stay safe, everyone, and remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So prepare now, just in case. We are right in the middle of hurricane season. I did leave a link for you with advice from FEMA on what to put in your emergency supply kits. Aloha and have a good day.